One of the reasons why Wiccans practice magic is because it's fun and we get to be creative and we also get to make things. Today we're going to make a money potion really simply with ingredients that you can get from the supermarket or you can grow yourself, and just a small citrine stone. But before we dive into the topic, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. If you are new to the channel and you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to know more about spell crafting and how you can become better at it, have a look at the Spellcaster Checklist. It's a free PDF that's available from my website. The link to that is in the description field below this video. So now let's get on to the citrine potion. All you need for this is a bowl that you will fill with water. When it comes to making potions, you want to have the ability to store your potions for at least a little while. If you want to store them long term, of course, you'll have to add alcohol to preserve it. But one of the best ways to work with a potion, in the short term anyway, is to make an infusion or make a tea out of the herbs, and then put the crystals in the potion and let the crystals stay in there for a certain amount of time. So when it comes to making a money potion, I have here a bowl and I have some bay leaves and cinnamon sticks in here, and it smells absolutely wonderful. And just some hot water, allowing that to infuse for a couple of hours, and then you're ready to go. Pick a Thursday. It's a good day for money magic, or a Friday or a Sunday. And make sure that it's on a waxing moon. Now, it can be on a full moon if you're wanting to have that extra energy of the full moon. Otherwise, just pick a Thursday, a Friday, or a Sunday in the waxing cycle of the moon. When you've got your tea, as it's brewing, you may want to whisper over it what it is you want it to do. So you may say, herbs of bay, cinnamon, bring money and prosperity to me. Money and prosperity flow to me. Money and prosperity flow to me. And you can say that as many times as you feel you want to say it. The vibration of your voice will help vibrate your potion. Then place your crystal in with all of the other ingredients. Citrine crystal. In this potion, bring money and prosperity to me. Money and prosperity flow to me through the energies of the bay, the cinnamon, and the citrine. Flowing, flowing, growing, growing. Prosperity to me. Now, when it comes to growing anything, or prosperity particularly, you want to work with the solar energies. So leave this potion out under the morning sun. So don't leave it out there all day, just under the morning sun. The morning sun has that growth energy. So if you're wanting your money to grow, you want that growth energy. So leave it out for maybe 3 hours under the morning sun. And then once you're finished with that, you can then strain the ingredients, take your crystal out, strain your ingredients, and use the leftovers in a spray or put it in a potion bottle. And you can use this potion for all sorts of things. Now, don't use it to drink, simply because of the citrine crystal. Not that citrine is necessarily toxic, but a lot of crystals are toxic. So you don't want to be playing around with drinking crystal elixirs if you don't really know what you're doing. So don't drink the potion, just use it to maybe put a little bit on your credit cards, put a little bit in your wallet or your purse, spray it across your front door or your room if you live in a share house. Use it to enchant your spells, your money spells. You can use it to lightly dress your candles for candle magic. Basically, wherever you can spray it or put it in your life, then use the potion. It's really only limited by your own creativity. Certainly do a little bit of dabbing on your wallet and a purse and your credit cards, debit cards, and any money spells that you're using it for. You might want to also give it as a gift to somebody who may be struggling financially. And you can even use it to put in your bath and bathe in the energy and have a money bath, a prosperity bath. Or if you don't have a bathtub, you can pop it in a cup of warm water and then just pour it over yourself as you're having a shower. Or if you want to do a wash, pop some of it in the sink full of water and then just wash your body with the water. There's so many different ways that you can use this potion. Have fun with it, enjoy it, and enjoy the money trickling to you as you use it. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from Mystery Witch School. Blessed be.